Hello everyone, this is Wisman Flora. Today, I will introduce our DL series operation system. Now, let me show you how the analog control should operate. Let's turn on its main switch. Press the right HV button, and then turn the current potentiometer. Let's give it a little current. And this time, someone may ask, how should the voltage be adjusted? As you can see, there have two potentiometers. One is the voltage potentiometer. Routinely, the voltage potentiometer, we can see that the numbers on the display. The data will change as I adjust the voltage. Well, the above is the operation method of analog control. Next, Hogan will show you how to operate digital control.
I'm Hogan. Now, let me show you how to operate the digital control. First, cable connect digital interface and computer, and then turn on the white switch. Click Wisman dedicated background control system. Click System, create link, configuration. At this time, change the local mode to remote mode. First, set the voltage to 2 kW and the current to 2 milliampere. Of course, our voltage and current can be set according to our own requirements. Click Open the curve window, Record, Configuration. We add voltage display and current display, and this is the real-time record table of voltage and current. Then we click High Voltage On, and this time the voltage value displayed on the DL series is the voltage value we have given. When you open the curve graph, you can clearly see the change of the voltage value.